Okay, we're up. What's going on? YouTube is World Wide Web, guys. I'm back in another smart video funnel systems video. I'm trying to get my computer together, guys. Forgive me. I just got a quite a bit of new equipment, guys. New speakers, new everything. So this experience is gonna get better for you guys. I just been kind of lazy and haven't hooked it all up, but hopefully all these videos are going to be a lot better, guys. I'm going to add a little bit more quality to these videos with the new equipment that I got. I just haven't done it yet. Now, guys, in today's video, I want to talk about a lot of the things that we've been able, or we've covered up until now. And a lot, it's been about leads lead. It's been about email marketing. It's been about building an email subscribers list and all kinds of great stuff in the playlist, which I house these videos inside of, right? Inside of the 7-second share codes playlist. So for any of you guys who find this video for the very first time, just find this 7-second share code video playlist and it'll bring you up to speed to all the things that we've covered up until now. And so it's a lot of great stuff going on inside of the training. It's a lot of great stuff going on inside the internet marketing universe. Anybody can jump online and start an email marketing business, right? It's as simple as the things that I cover inside of that playlist, inside of the series on this YouTube channel. Now today, guys, what I want to talk about is how to use the rotators inside of Leadsly, because you know, you guys, you got a variety of capture pages that you can use now. You know how to import the capture pages. You have the share codes. You know how to do all you know how to connect this entire funnel now. And so the benefit of being able to use the rotator inside of Leadsly is when you start running ad traffic, right? You can split test. You can use the rotator to split test different lead capture pages. You can use the rotator to split test in your follow-up emails. You can use the rotator, this feature. I'm gonna go over with you guys to send broadcasts. You know, and so when you're sending broadcasts or when you're using your follow emails, you can have multiple offers in those rotators. So as your email subscribers are opening up these emails, as different email subscribers go through that email, or should that same subscriber come back to that email, they will always get a separate offer, another offer. And it don't have to be many, but it can be a few, right? It can be within that umbrella, within that niche. It's in the category of the things that the people that's on your list are looking for. And you can stack them in a rotator, right? And so I'm going to go over that procedure right now, today. I'm going to show you guys exactly how that works, right? So I'm going to go inside of Leadsly, and I'm right on my page manager, right? And guys, you know, I don't know, it's been a few months now, and you know, I launched my own cash app marketing funnel, right? And that's not it. But let me show you the beauty of this rotator, because this is it here, right? And so it says cash app lead capture page, but when I click it, it takes me to the first lead capture page that I have in the rotator. And when I click it again, it'll take me back to, well, if I do it right, it'll take me back to the cash app. It should take me back. I got to hit the top one. And it'll rotate those links through, right, as I'm advertising. These links will rotate through because I have them in a rotator, right? So the beauty of being able to do that, I'm going to show you guys what that looks like, is, again, we just talked about it. You can rotate and split test on your traffic, right? My phone will be ringing now. And so that's a cool thing. So let me show you guys what it looks like. Let me get out of some of these pages. I'm always out. I got too many pages up. Let me show you guys what that looks like when you do it. When you've gone through this process, I want you guys to see exactly what it looks like. So we're gonna go to my broadcaster, right? Because you know you can broadcast. You can broadcast your email list any time of day or night that you want, right? So I created a broadcast, if I can find it. And in that broadcast, I talk about this. Okay. Okay. Let's see how. Okay. 1 million ways to market. Okay. Phone 2. I got it. Well, let me get back. Hold on. Okay, there we go. So look, guys, right up here at the top of my broadcast, this is a broadcast that I just set up for two reasons. Number one, to send out to my list so that they'll have this training if they don't know how to do it. And for you guys, okay, so we all get to sit in and watch exactly how this procedure works. So we're talking about using the Leads Leap Rotator. We're talking about split testing, and we're talking about email marketing. And so what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to take that broadcast, right, and I'm going to send it to myself. Okay, I'm going to send myself a test email so that you guys will get to see how to use Leads Leap Rotator, test an email follow-up and an email broadcast, right, and in your follow-up email campaign, okay? So I'm going to close that because I don't need it anymore, and I'm going to go over to my Gmail account. I'm going to pull my Gmail account up, right? And if you look right there, guys, you'll see how to use the Leads Leap Rotator, split test email follow-up and email broadcast. That's what this video is about. So when we talk about using this feature inside of Leads Leap, I just showed you guys how it works. And I told you guys the benefits of being able to do it. So I'm talking about in this video, going over the procedure for using Leads Leap Rotator inside of Leads Leap. These are two of my favorite benefits. Being able to split test if you're using capture pages, right? When you're running traffic, this traffic is running through this rotator. Okay, let me get back. And it's spitting out, because I'm coming from the same IP, it's spitting out a different lead capture page. Now, you see every time someone hits it, it'll do it. I'm hitting it so soon that a lot of times it's not responding, but this is the way it's going to respond in your particular prospect's browser. Every time they hit that, right, or the traffic you're running, right, you're running traffic, and that traffic you're running is in a rotator. So you're able to split test page 1 in this example against lead capture page 2 in this example, or however many pages you want to load into your rotator. You can do, well, you don't want to get crazy, but you can, this is how you can test your lead capture pages out, and or build multiple lists, guys, right? Or build multiple lists. So that's how that feature works. So before you go out and you get ready to start running traffic, or you start doing some testing, you want to split test your lead capture pages to see which one's outperforming the other ones, right? Because that'll happen. And everything in email marketing is a big test, guys, okay? It's a big test, right down to the advertising. And I don't care what anybody says, nothing in email marketing is ever guaranteed. Nothing in life is guaranteed, but the thing that is guaranteed, that one of the things, if there were something that was guaranteed, is nothing's going to happen if you don't do anything. You have to run ad traffic. And when you're running ad traffic, you're constantly testing. You're testing so that you can tweak, and when you tweak, you can scale, right? So that's what that looks like when you're running traffic if you decide to use the rotator. And when people hit that rotator, they're going to go to a different page, right? Because they're hitting the rotator, and the rotator has more than one link to more than one lead capture page inside of it, right? That makes sense, right, guys? That makes perfect sense. And again, I'm hitting it so fast, and I'm doing it from my IP addresses, so a lot of times I'm getting the same page. But that's not what's going to happen when your prospects, let me get out some of these other pages too. That's not what's going to happen when your prospects are hitting these links, okay? They're going to be redirected to a brand new lead capture page, okay? Now, okay, so we know that that's how that feature works, right? So guys, let's look at how to use them in a follow-up email, because we talked a lot about the signature. If you guys remember, we talked a lot about the signature. Well, not a lot, but we talked enough about the signature to know that, like anything in the body of your email, you can link, you can have a signature that just stays there, and it could be the same. And because I'm, I want to brand everything that it is I'm doing, right down to the smart video funnel systems, then in my signature, guys, I'm not just using a signature to take my prospects back to one thing. I have a rotator locked into the smart video funnel system. Let me get out of here because I want you guys to see what that looks like. So inside of my signature, let me get out of here too. So inside of my signature, guys, there's another rotator, right? And so when I hit it the first time, it should take me over to one of my smart video funnel systems, right? This is one. And every time my prospects hit it, it's going to take them over to a different one, right? This is a different one. But they look the same because they're all built inside of a basic template. But the point is, they're different offers for different products, all built around Leasley, all taking our prospects back to where, guys? The trusty 1 million ways to market, which is totally tricked out now. You guys got to get over there and see it. Okay, so that's what's happening inside of these rotators. Again, and in this particular rotators, guys, see, there's yet another page. In this particular rotator, I probably have about 7 links. So every time my prospects, they would come back to that email, they're going to end up on a different offer, right? But they're all within the umbrella of making money, working from home, email marketing, ad traffic, right? Always ad traffic. We always want to include ad traffic, which is what 1 million ways to market is all about. Hopefully you guys have been over there and you've seen this new funnel that I'm building inside of 1 million ways to market. 1 million ways to market is now a funnel in and of itself, guys. This is almost 8.5 weeks of, moving things around, putting it all together, making it all come together. And it's really, really way more than I thought it would be. And I'm extremely happy to be able to be right at the beginning of the launch of 1 million ways to market at the smart video funnel systems and the whole 9 yards. So now that we see that, let's get out of some of these other pages, because this is just way past cool, right? So you writing up your emails, you're split testing in your advertising. When people are hitting that link in your advertising, if it's a 500 click solo ad, then you got maybe, hopefully, a certain percentage are going to go to one page versus another page. You can build multiple lists. You can use different capture pages for the exact same product and or service, right? To see which one is going to outperform the other. By the way, you want to be using different lead capture pages and testing them to see which one is going to get you the highest click. It's going to be able to get the best click-through rate. And the only way you're going to be able to do that is to test. But you can do it in traffic exchanges. You can do it in safe lists. You can do it in particularly with solo ads, guys. When we get in solo ads, all of this stuff comes together a lot faster. But this is how it works. This is how those rotator links work. This is how they function. And when they open, when you use them this way, your prospects, you're able to continue to court, to prospect right through your email and your email signature. This could be the body of the email. This could be going to different products and services. It's going to different lead capture pages in this instance, but it could be going to anything in a rotator you want it to be, like it is in my signature, right? Is divvying out the different offers, or some of the different offers that that's available inside of the library. And that 7-second, we've used that 7-second share code technology to be able to do all these things. And this is how we get into our smart video funnel systems, because now that lead capture pages, right, everything that's included is all tied into one incredible circle. You know what I mean? And everything comes back together so well. So now, how do you do it though? How do you use that rotator? So let's talk about how you do it, because what you want to do is go to your page manager, right? And let's say you got more than one lead capture page, okay? So right now, guys, if you look right here, I got 2. You see, it's 2 links in there, right? Right? There's 2 links in there. And in order to add another lead capture page, let me show you guys this. In order to add another lead capture page, guys, we got to get the actual share code for the lead capture page that we want to use, right? So I'm going to go back into my page manager and I'll open it up another browser, because I'm going back into the page manager. And as a matter of fact, guys, I got one in my email. So let me show you guys this. It's a better way. I got one in my email. I'm building out the library, and so I've been sending myself the share codes, right? And that way, so when I'm loading them up. So I got a whole bunch of them already inside of my email, right? So let me just pull one of them out. And as you can see, I'm sending myself the share codes, because we're getting ready to open up the whole library with all the different splash pages and everything. So you'll take the share code of the lead capture page you want to put in the rotator. You already got them in there already. You already got one page. So you want to add a third page, right? So what you're going to do, guys, is come to the capture page that you're working with, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 6, 7. You see where it says add a new page design? Import. You can't read it because it said import, one using a share code. Hopefully if you guys zoom in a little bit, you'll be able to see that. Add new page design. Import one using a share code. So I'm going to take the share code to the page I just copied out of my email, and I'm going to put it in there, right? It's in there, guys, okay? Now, it's in there, and now it's more than one. And so now, when I start going through the rotator link, it just put the new, this is a page that I just created, guys. I picked up some real cool stuff from Jeff Aiden, but this is just another page I just added. It's not even a lead capture page, right? It's a different type of page. It's a bridge page. It's a training page. But there's lead capture page 2, or should I say page 2, and there's page 3. So there's 3 pages inside of this rotator now. And every time I hit it, it will, well, again, it's not because I'm on my own PC. It might not cookie, it's cooking right back. But in a traffic browser or in your email, in your prospect's email inbox, it's not going to do that. When they're hitting this link, which is tied into text or wherever you're sending this traffic, this is how you pop that in there. So I'm going to get another one out. I'm going to get another one out, guys, and add another one so you guys will really see the beauty of being able to do that, right? So I got share codes. I had it's a new reseller that I'm working on. What do I want to do? I'm going to search for share codes. And I think, because I don't want to pull the same one out. And with my luck, I would, right? Let's try this one, guys. They're all pages that I'm working on. They're all pages that's going to end up in the library, which is why they're sitting there in my email inbox. But I have so many that that's what's taking me a minute, but not long. You guys can do everything that it is you need to do, right? So now there we go again, right? We're gonna go back over here again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're gonna go right there, guys. We're gonna add a new design, import using a share code. And I'm gonna take the share code. I'm gonna paste it right in that block. I'm gonna hit import now. Now, guys, it's in there. Now, let me take some of these other pages down so you guys can see this. Hopefully, I didn't put the same one in there, right? Now, guys, it's 4 links inside of this rotator. I'm gonna hit it once. Remember that one? I just put that one in just before this one. And there it goes again. Maybe I put it in twice. No, and there's 2. Maybe I have to wait a few seconds before I hit it, right? There's 2. There's 2. That's the same one. There's 3. Okay, guys, let's cross our fingers. And that's 4. That's the 4th one that I just put in. And this is just, of course, this is part of the ad traffic, affiliate traffic brokers, right? And guys, affiliate traffic, well, I'm not going to get into a lot of it right now, but so you guys understand exactly how that works, right? And while I'm on the affiliate traffic brokers page, let me say this. More ad traffic equals more exposure. More exposure equals more opt-ins. More opt-ins, it means a bigger email subscribers list, and that ultimately translates into more sales and signups, right? And offers, right? And that's what that all boils down to, guys, okay? And so that's the type of thing we want to be doing, because it's giving us all types of, we get all that diversification when we're able to do that. Now, I don't know how far along you guys are in terms of putting the different funnels together for those of you who were inclined to come through, but if you made it to this video, or it is because you already done those things, or you are in the process of doing them. So either way, you're in a great place and a great space, remembering that the smart funnel systems, these video funnel systems, guys, they're built into the entire scheme of everything that we do, and they are great offers. But more importantly than them just being great offers, they are completely done marketing systems and funnels with all the traffic built in, and guys, there's so much traffic in there now, guys. I got some new stuff. I'm working with a couple of other people, and they got some really, really good stuff. So lots and lots and lots of traffic, a lot. So anyway, it's all inside of 1 Million Ways to Market. So let me just go on and cover that while inside the video. So maybe I can get back to my email and what I'm going to do. My son has a really bad cold, guys. I don't know if you guys can hear him. So here we go. So we're going to go here, and we're going to go back to the smart video funnel system, which is locked into the rotator. Hey, Brandon, hold on for a second. Okay, so what we're going to do is, I have to check on my son, guys, in a second. Okay, so when we're inside the smart video funnels, guys, we know that all of these funnels take us back through the entire training series of everything that we need, right? And so all of these funnels, not only can we end up on 1 Million Ways to Market from the funnels, or you can just go to 1millionways-to-market.com, but you can also go straight to the playlist as well, which takes you through all of the exact training that leads to this exact same training that we're going through. Now, this is the fall of the year, guys, right? The fall of the year is almost upon us, right? And the fall of the year is probably the single most, it's one of the best times to start advertising your business opportunities, right? It's one of the best times to be involved with the home-based business opportunity, and no matter what it is. Now, the way I want to close this video out, guys, I want to go to 1 Million Ways to Market, because there is one other thing that I want to tell you guys about 1 Million Ways to Market, okay? And that is, if you didn't have anything, guys, okay? If you didn't have anything that, and you were brand new to internet marketing, right? And you didn't know anything about marketing, and you want to learn some great stuff, you want to get some great training, and you want to get some great sources, guys, the way that 1 Million Ways to Market is now set up is you can go in here, if it's just for the ad traffic, you can go in here and get ad traffic every day, guys. I mean, you can get ad traffic every day. And again, this is the fall of the year. Everything's ready to pick up a lot. But I still got leads coming in every single day, guys. And believe it, even though this is one of the slowest times of the year, guys, I've still managed to make over $600, probably within the last week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, just doing this. And it's slow. And it's going to grow because I'm just starting. A lot of residual income tied into these funnels. You guys find all of that inside of 1 Million Ways to Market. Everything. Now, so you don't have anything to market and promote, or you want to expand on what you're marketing and promoting, right? So the way that I set 1 Million Ways to Market up, and the way that it's really brilliant. You can just use the resources inside to get tons and tons and tons and tons of traffic. I'm doing videos on every single one of the resources that's inside, right? You'll find it, right, in my 1 Million Ways to Market videos. Now, I was going to put the videos inside of 1 Million Ways to Market, but it takes up too much space. So I'm doing the videos on YouTube. I go through the list. Everything in here I will do an actual video for in the 1 Million Ways to Market. That will be inside the 1 Million Ways to Market pool. That's where you'll find that, right? Or 1millionways-to-market.com. But the cool thing that we're really talking about, and I'm boasting so much about inside of 1 Million Ways to Market, and there I actually have 2 funnels for this, is we put the emphasis on how to maximize your advertising inside of safe lists, inside of traffic exchanges, inside of login starter ads, banner ads, text ads, because this funnel, it speaks specifically to people in those memberships, because they're inside of those memberships. We know that we have something that they can use to do what? To complement their business, right? So that's one of the things we want to lead with, because we can always turn around, right, guys? I talked about this in a video the other day, and tie our primaries back in the back end of our funnels. Remember, we talked about that. But we're leading with ad traffic inside of 1 Million Ways to Market. It's a dual purpose website that you can actually trick out. You can replicate and duplicate the entire funnel, and it is completely done now, right? Everything leading back to 1 Million Ways to Market. But you can brand the entire funnel system, and you can get traffic every single day. You can promote your primaries on the back end, or anything else you want to market and promote. I got bonus funnel systems in here, guys. All kinds of traffic built in, all with affiliate components tied into them, which means you guys can join any of them. You can use them as standalones, go out and start running traffic, using traffic in these places where we know people want more traffic, right? And that way we can build a bigger business and add some additional income streams through those affiliate traffic ad broker, those ad traffic resources. So that's really a great way to get some real foundation, right? When as you start to market your business, right? We're gonna lead with something we know that over 99.9% of everybody who's doing business of any type needs, and that's ad traffic. And so we wrapped it and packaged it all up inside of 1 Million Ways to Market, right? You can get a constant flow of everyday ad traffic, right? And pass this on to our team members, our teammates, right? We continue to perpetuate the growth. We continue to scale, right? We continue to over deliver with the value. And if you guys haven't seen this video, get over to 1millionways2market.com and watch this video. This is a great video, guys. And you guys are going to be pleasantly surprised at the content and this new funnel system that's built inside of 1 Million Ways to Market. Okay. So thanks so much for sitting in on the video, guys. I appreciate you guys so very much. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Keep rocking.